Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing that how I achieved that winged eyeliner look. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and for that I am using my Goof proof brow pencil from the Benefit Cosmetics. So for my eyeliner, I'll be using Nykaa Black Magic liquid liner. So firstly, I'll just line my eyes with a thin line of eyeliner, and then gradually I'll thicken it, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna extend my lower waterline shape of the eye like this. And then I'm gonna join the upper and the lower line like this. So winged eyeliners can be done in number of ways, and you just have to make sure that you do it patiently and your hands are stable, just it. And also it really enhances your eyes. Like you can see I have small eyes, but you can see the difference. This eye is looking bigger than the left one. So yeah, it makes a difference. So next I'll be using the Benefit Badgal mascara. So hope you liked watching my video. So this is it. So if you guys like watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Living My Best. Also find me on Instagram with the same name, living my_best. Bye bye.